Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We're at it again today. I don't know what experiment this is, but I need to make Zeppole. I put it in my mind from I don't know when that I need to make these Zeppole. And with the Zeppole comes the custard cream, which I have never, ever in my entire life made. But we're going to make it today. However it comes out, it's going to come out. I've been researching, and this is the simplest recipe I found. So, let's go to it. So we need 10 egg yolks. Right now we're gonna make the custard to go with the Zeppole. The video for the Zeppole is coming later. So right now we're gonna put in we're gonna use 10 egg yolks. Then we're gonna put we're going to put all our wet ingredients into this one pot. And then we're going to add everything else that we need, which is milk, sugar, a little bit of vanilla, some lemon, some heavy cream. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we got 10 egg yolks, which I'm just going to mix up a bit here. Okay, so now with the 10 egg yolks, we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. Then also to the egg yolks, now we're going to add 3 3/4 cups of milk. Okay, 1/2 cup of the heavy cream. That's just so that it's more rich. Okay, so that's it for the wet ingredients. So we got all that mixed up nicely in there. Now, okay, so now in our pot, we're going to put the heat on medium. Okay, now in here we're going to put 1 cup of sugar. And this recipe, it's instead of calling for flour, it calls for cornstarch. And I don't remember now. Oh, 3/4 cup. Oh. Okay. So I didn't think this through. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking that I wasn't going to be messy. That's what I was thinking. Okay, that's about 3/4 cup. I was thinking that I wasn't going to be messy at all. Oh. So we got that in there. We're just going to mix the two, the sugar and the cornstarch together. Okay. Now, let me get my lemon ready because I forgot. All we're going to do is we're going to put in the whole lemon peel. Because if I put in, like if I grate it in, then after, okay, beautiful, leave that aside. Then after what'll happen is then I have to strain out the little pieces of lemon, which I don't want to do. So now we got our mix in here of the sugar and the cornstarch. Now we're going to put in this mixture of the milk, cream, eggs, like that. Now with a wooden spoon, we're going to incorporate all that together. And we're just going to keep on stirring it. Put our lemon peel in there, nice. And we're just going to keep it on medium. And we're going to keep on stirring it. Probably takes anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes until it thickens up. And then it's ready. Actually, I like the idea of whisking this a bit so that to make sure that all the cornstarch is all separated and not into little lumps. I don't want any lumps. So far, so good. Once this part is done, we're going to set this aside, let it cool down. And then we're going to make the Zeppole. Okay. Patience. This is where you learn your patience. You can't speed it up, because if you speed it up, it's going to ruin. Just like in life. You have to have patience for things to happen. Beautiful. What a beautiful custard. Nice and thick. Creamy. Okay. Doesn't look bad for a first time. Okay, I'm going to put that in I'm going to put that in this glass bowl because we want it to cool down. And then we'll fish the lemon peel out. That's a lot. Maybe I made too much. Oh well, we'll see. Maybe I can make some other kind of dessert to go with it. Oh, look at that. I have to fish the lemon peel out. Maybe I have to wait for it to cool down some more. Yeah, before I do that. Okay. This is ready. We're going to let this cool down. As this cools down, I'm going to make my Zeppole. Thank you. We'll see you soon.